What's up, Freezyarmy? In the last episode, we started building the 3D printing enclosure stand, and now your boy is gonna build a box which is gonna go on top of the enclosure. This is gonna be to dampen the sound so I can sleep at night whilst the printer is doing its job. You saw me get a bunch of wood in the last episode from a pile of trash. We're gonna use this. So let's start this incredibly exciting adventure. Test 127. Let's use this trusty old friend again. 120 centimeters. Number 1. Number 2. Which ones are next? 4 times 67 centimeters. Oh, flip. This one's really ugly.
Hey, get the f out of here!
70 centimeters. 1, 2, 3.
Dry.
80 centimeters. I fricked this up. I need to again substrate. Substrate? Subtrahate? Substratate? What's the opposite of add? Subtrahieren. Subtract. Aha. And now we'll do the little bit more difficult cuts. I told you that I want to do an 80-degree angle down here. But Freezy, how do I calculate this length? I used trigonometry. Oh, my hip. I'm getting old.
To the chiropractor!
Oh. 2 times 67 centimeters. 2 times 67 centimeters. 74.6. Oh no. I'm out of wood. Guess we gotta go to the hardware store. Fuck. I left the window open. Shoot. Let me quickly put one thing on the record. How awesome are cars?
Porsche!
You just sit in your nice little cave. It's warm and cozy, protected from the elements. Friggin' epic. Let's get that wood. Damn. Dodge Challenger. This is a really rare car to see in Germany. Every flippin' time I leave with more as what I intended to get. Smash like if you know this. It's a couple days later. I cut the slats to length and I printed a whole army of 90-degree angles. And now we're gonna start assembling the box. You know, we carefully calculated all the lengths for the slats.
Yes, science!
And now we're gonna assemble the box. Let's go.
Let's go!
120. I got 2 different kinds of angles. These wide ones, these are supposed to be fitted on top like this, and these small ones. Let's not overcomplicate this and just dive in there. One, 2, 3, 4. Attach angle. We will need those. Spacks. This is the real good stuff. Really expensive.
Ich bin reich!
This video is not sponsored. Spacks. If you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Already managed to break the lid. And we pound it in. Oh man! Oh. First one already looks so trash.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
It's fine. Attach the first one. Now we're gonna do this for the other 3. Hä? Nee! Oh! ich bin doch so blöd. The 120cm piece needs to be on the outside. I attached 2 angles and already fricked this up. Disattach this one. Oh shoot, I have a nice idea. Alright, number 4. How does this look? 4. Alright, number 4. This is disgusting. Right, perfect. Awesome! Alright, we got our ground plate. So when you're doing any kind of project, after finishing such a tremendous task, check your DMs. Habibi! Guten Morgen! Weitermachen, yalla yalla. Okay, let me quickly check my DMs if any girls texted me. No, they didn't. But it's my mama's birthday, so I'm gonna quickly call her. Hallo, hier ist Fritz.
Hallo Fritz.
Ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
Dankeschön.
Nee, der rechts ist Anthony Joshua, dieser übelst stabile, der aussieht wie ein Gott. Ich mache gerade noch ein bisschen Video für YouTube, für meine Freezyarmy. Alles klar, bis dann. Ciao. Shoutouts to my mom. Step number 2. 70cm pieces. Go. Here, here, here. Alright, let's go.
Let's go!
This looks okay. Other side. Whoa. And now we take another 100, the 120cm piece and use it as a crossbar. This ain't too beautiful, but it's okay. So we got our crossbar attached. 2 more of these, somewhere in between here. Habibi, komm mal rein.
Hast du Feuer?
Feuer?
Ja.
Willst du rauchen?
Ja. Hast du?
Du sollst nicht rauchen.
Smoking is bad, man.
Alrighty. Nice.
Nice.
Now we're gonna put those 2 like this. Hä? I freaked this up. First we're gonna shorten these again. Take this one as a 90-degree angle. Dang it, this is pretty accurate actually. Let's hope it doesn't splitter. Ooh! Dang it. Very nice. Hold up. Heh? Everybody stop moving. And it didn't even splinter. Look at this. This is gorgeous. That should be good enough. I freestyle pounded 10-degree angles in here. On both ends. What can I say? They look pretty awesome. Very nice.
It's nice.
Alrighty. That's our frame. Looks pretty nice, pretty stiff, pretty solid. Now that we got our frame finished, now I'm gonna use the wood that I found in the trash in the last episode.
I just found some trash, you guys.
And I think, if I don't mess this up, it's gonna look pretty amazing. Let's say decently amazing. Numero uno. Where my sandpaper at? I'm pretty sure this is gonna have this sauna feeling because of the wood I use. First one. Looking slick, looking epic.
I'm back trying to take my track.
I can already tell we won't have enough of these to insulate all of this. Why is it blinking? The frick? What is happening? It would be so nice not to have to cut everything with this friggin' saw. At this point I'm gonna pause our little project. So far we got our frame. I attached this side and I got enough wood for the top. Unfortunately there wasn't enough wood in the entire trash pile to shell the entire thing. Thus, I'm gonna again have to go to the hardware store. Second time this build, or third, I don't know. Then we're gonna shell the entire thing and build the door. But before we finish this project, me and a friend are gonna drive to Hamburg to watch the K1 fight of a friend of ours. And you, Freezyarmy, can join us. Let's hope my boy can win his heavyweight K1 fight. And I'll see you tomorrow when we drive to Hamburg. Good morning, Freezyarmy. I am currently picking up my homeboy. Michael! Michael, du geile Kreatur! Michael, hier! Michael! Michael. So me and my boy are gonna go to Hamburg. We're gonna watch the K1 fight of a friend of ours.
Komm weiter, mehr, jawohl.
And you're gonna join us. Michael, schön, dass du da bist. We're gonna put the mileage indicator on 0. Semi-full tank, 80-degree oil temperature. Oh, ich bin gerade auf eine Ausfahrt geballert, kann das sein? We're gonna grab something from McDonald's. Let's hit the road. And we're in Hamburg. It's so flippin' beautiful. That's my boy. Da ist er! Felix! Felix, Junge! Felix, Junge! That's my boy. Ich sag, Felix rennt rein. Flying Knee. Der hat Bock. Los, Felix!
Der leichte Favorit aus Hamburg hier, Lokalmatador, aber auch aus Hamburg. Da geht's gleich richtig zur Sache hier im Schwergewicht. Hier eher früher als später beenden.
Komm, Felix, gib ihn! Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I wasn't able to finish this whole thing, so there's gonna be a part 3 of this 3D printing enclosure build. Good times. Next episode though is gonna be the 100 subscriber special. I'm gonna try my best to bench press 2 50-kilogram dumbbells. So smash subscribe if you wanna see this, and I'll see you next time. Unfortunately there wasn't enough. Unfortunately there wasn't enough. Alter. Mann, ich kann mir das Scheißwort nicht merken, Alter.